Welcome to Interviews. I'm Thayer with Commonwealth Commercial. Today we're with Rick Bahnick of HVAC Engineering. Welcome, Rick.
Thank you, Thayer.
So tell me a little bit about what's going on in the maintenance with HVAC systems.
We have a rather large commercial and industrial and retail base, and what we're seeing is that customers are pulling back on maintenance. They're not switching to other companies, they're just holding back and saying, we'll take our chances and we'll go on a time and material basis rather than having scheduled routine inspections and checks of their equipment. And they're rolling the dice, basically. They probably could get by if their equipment's been maintained on a regular basis for the last 4 or 5 years. They could probably get by for a year, maybe a year and a half. But after that, it's going to catch up to them. Equipment's going to start breaking down. And the real hidden cost they don't think about is the energy. If they don't change their filters, they don't clean the coils, their energy costs are going to climb because the equipment's got to work that much harder to satisfy the needs of the tenants or the people living in the building.
So what are some of the ramifications of neglecting the maintenance?
Your coils plug up, your equipment gets dirty, the energy, it works a lot harder and longer. So your energy bills go way up, and it causes extra wear and tear on your equipment, on the compressors, and you eventually end up having major failures of the large components that are the most expensive to fix.
So it sounds like even though the maintenance contract is money up front now, long term it's going to save you energy costs and bigger ticket items later.
Correct. On a typical 10-ton package unit that serves, say, one office, that unit is good for 20 to 25 years. If you don't do the maintenance on it, you're going to cut the useful life of it down to 15 years, maybe less. And you may have more frequent compressor failures, which is a major component, like changing an engine in a car. That's your major component of the unit, and it's going to fail, and it's going to cost you money, and you're going to be down. Once that fails, the system is down for, could be days, depending on availability. And our suppliers are no longer stocking things like they used to. Now it's on a demand. They have it back in a major warehouse miles away, so you have to wait till it gets here. So if you're in a critical operation, you could be down for a couple of days.
Yeah. So it doesn't pay to put things off.
No, it doesn't.
So what's going on with regard to refrigeration?
Well, refrigeration is really taken off on in our industry. There's a shortage of good refrigeration technicians to install and maintain refrigeration systems. And retail chains are getting very big into the food business, and they're redoing their stores, even if they're less than 3 years old, and increasing the amount of refrigeration in their stores to bring in more food products into the store. One chain that I deal with was expected a $9 bounce by adding food to their store on impulse purchases. They're seeing a $23 to $25 bounce per person. So they're very excited. So they're revamping all their stores, and it's created a lot of business for us. In fact, right now we're so busy, we're turning business away. We can't handle all the business that's available out there because there is a shortage of refrigeration technicians.
So your firm does installs as well as maintenance, correct?
That's correct. We cover most of New England, and we'll do installations, and then we'll take care of it afterwards. We're really interested. This company was purchased 10 years ago when the original owner retired. And when we took over, we decided to change it to a service and maintenance company. And that's our primary focus. And now we got involved more and more into this refrigeration because of need, and customers coming to us say, can you put this in for us because we want it done now. But we also want to take care of it after it's in. So it's a two hit for us.
So if some of my viewers are interested in contacting you, talking about refrigeration or talking about HVACs and their systems, how would they reach you?
Our main number is, we're located in Billerica, and it's 978-667-8100. Or the email is rbahnick, B-A-H-N-I-C-K, at nationalhvacservice.com, all one word. We're a branch of a national company that is concentrated mostly on the East Coast.
Great. And thank you for watching Interviews. I'm Thayer Morgan.